Hi, I'm Sarv Kohli, and I'm sure that everybody has heard the buzzword large language model or LLM related to artificial intelligence or AI. I'm presenting our project for Team 223, which we are naming LLM Ways. Here are the team members whom we work together. I'll let them introduce themselves. Here is our team poster. Uh, as you can see, the idea here is to let user visually explore the linkage between embedding and concepts rather than treating it like a pure black box. At a high level, our goal is to build an interactive 2D explorer plan of an AI's internal library. We wanted to show how concepts like engineering and art are connected, or how bread and peanut butter or jam are linked, and how the model groups different ideas comes together. Formally, we design a scalable visualization system that ingests high dimensional text embedding and ultimately produces something like an interactive 2D manifold designed to preserve a semantic neighborhood. In our system, we transform more than 69,000 high dimensional embedding generated using APIs into a multi scale interactive explorer or a map. So here is our approach or the architecture. We started with ChatGPT API to get raw data, and then which we converted into a AI embedding. These vectors are then clustered and reduced to a two-dimensional point using UMAP in a Python backend. Sorry, a Flash server then renders this data, which is visualized interactively in the web browser using D3.js and Canvas. On the data and the modeling side, we obtained our embedding directly from state of art text embedding 3 large language models. Here's a quick demo for our product. As shown, our project processes the conceptual space of an LLM as a set of map and shows the connection between the various data points. Here is the dashboard for our project where you can select those data points, and we then use this to create a visual map of its actual conceptual space. On the visualization side, the results is multi-scale view where users can move from an almost continent level overview of the knowledge to a more detailed street level view of an individual ideas. Here is the pathfinder showing the connection point between the various data points. In terms of interaction, LLM base is built to let user visually search, filter, and quantify relationships. The system supports exploratory interactions such as searching and filtering, and the ability to see how these concepts are clustered together or separate across the map. Overall, I think we see this as a step towards more transparent, interpretable, and interactive tools for understanding how these models organize information and keep you out of the black box of LLM. I hope you like the demo. Thank you, everybody. Uh, have a good day.